morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is a special day. We are going hiking with my friend Sheng. I'm not gonna lie, today's weather is really good. It was super blue, no cloud at all. I think it's a good day to go hiking. Anyways, today is Monday. Hopefully there's not much people around. We can get a good footage, more clean and raw footage if possible. So stay tuned. Hello everyone, we just arrived at our place. This is Kubah National Park. It's all rainforest, it's all huge forest, you know. We're gonna go around and explore. Hopefully we can find some monkey. They say there's a lot of wildlife. We can show you if we can, if we can't. Joining me is Sheng. Alright guys, if you plan a trip to Kubah National Park, this map right here is your best friend. There are a few different paths you can take, but today we are planning for crowd favorite, the Waterfall Trail. As you can see on the map, it's color coded in blue. It says here it's about 1 hour and 45 minutes trekking, stretching 1,600 meters one way. So pick your water, make sure you are wearing proper shoes, and let's head in. Before we get too deep into the jungle, here's a little bit of info about Kubah National Park. It's located about 20 kilometers outside of Kuching, making it an incredible easy trip. Forgot to buy water. Yeah, bottle. One bottle. Oh. "10 minutes in and my leg is breaking." So tiring, it's burning. I don't know if you can see, it's so steep. So steep. It's crazy. Can't believe I did it when I was young. Guys, you guys should go out more, explore when you're young. When you're in my age, you're just struggling with breathing already. I don't know if you can hear it. You can hear the water stream flowing through. I know you can't see it, but I can definitely hear it. So you have to take my word for it. Small little stream. You will see a big stream if we go all the way up. All the way up. For now, this is a small stream. No way. There's more climbing to do. Wish me luck. Don't let the paved road fool you. This is no easy walk. We're kicking off with a brutal 2.25 km uphill climb. Even without roots and mud, this steep incline is an incredible burner. Kubah is testing my legs right from the first step. Whoa, we found the queen of bugs. Ladybugs. Just kidding, it's not ladybug. Do you know why you come over? Because I'm the shade. We stumble upon the legendary frog pond. And look who we run into. The jungle brings everyone together. Meet those awesome guys all the way from Italy. We have arrived at the entrance of the waterfall. Yep, entrance to Waterfall Trail. I don't know how long it is, but let's follow the blue trail. I don't know if you can see it. It's all the way down. Just a heads up, the lighting in the jungle could be
tricky, so the footage might be a bit dark and shaky at times, and the auto balance might be a bit delayed. I hope you
Whoa, that's a huge
understand and
tree.
still enjoy the adventure.
What a huge tree. Oh, is that a mushroom? Biggest fungus I see. No, it's the HP. I'm very sure the alchemy will be very happy with it. Alchemist will be very happy with it. We are halfway there. If you have never come here before, don't worry, there's a proper trail. Yes. Of course, there's some uneven trail, I would say. Like, you have to go through. I don't think you have to be very scared of it. Because you have, there's blue marking. You won't get lost, trust me. It's fine. A lot of people come over, enjoy all this forest, nature stuff. So yeah, so actually you have to be really worried and all that. You even say that 1350 meters, 1350, 1350 meters all the way top. Yep. You can see it. Don't have to be too scared, just enjoy the nature. Enjoy the humidity, the rainforest, the sound. And look at the trail. It's fine, actually. It's fine. It's walkable. You just have to be extra careful. That's all. So you just walk around it. It's not that hard. You just hold the trees. It's fine. It's fine. Be careful with your footing and all that. It's a little bit challenging, but it's fine. It's fine. Appreciate the nature. Look at that. Huge tree. Could be over 100 million years. Realistically, it should be 100 plus years. Look at that. The roots are huge. Have you ever seen roots like this? It's like that. Whoa, so cool. Look at the roots. Whew. Interesting, isn't it? If you like nature, like the sun. We are at downstream. Better we're going to trek all the way upstream. This is the downstream. Let's see how close can I get. You have to be careful of the green stuff, the moss, I think. It's very, very slippery. Have to be careful also. Water is definitely very clear. We arrived. Kubah Waterfall. My feet is wet. There's no way to cross unless you don't wear shoes. Welcome to Kubah. Oh damn, it's very cold. Very nice. Very cold. Oh, so cold. I remember I fall once before. Very, very slippery. No, I don't know when. Prop, prop, pam. Funny. Follow me, red.
Red follow me. Follow me merah.
There are actually two waterfalls here, but we only caught this one on camera. Sheng and I grabbing lunch first, then focused entirely on getting clean and undisturbed footage. Luckily, we had the whole place to ourselves and get the perfect shot. I think we nailed exactly what we came here for.
Follow me. Follow me in Kubah. We are top of the world. Okay. We are going back 1,400 meters all the way down. 1,150. Yeah, it is. Let's go. 1,050 meters. Let's go. We are close. Very close. 550. 550 meters.
Oh, not there yet. Still something.
For people there. Time is full. We still have halfway there. Okay guys, I'm going to tell you a funny joke. Many years ago, I went hiking here. Someone I know, he tumbled and fall and roll. He got a big piece of fat ripped off from his, I think his belly. It's not a joke, but it was quite shocking actually. I have to run all the way down, drive my car and pick him up. But someone beat me to it. The guy, the forest ranger here, bring him all the way down. So I sent him to the hospital. It was young and dumb, but it was fun. Guys, his leg got cramped. We need to call 999 for help.
Actually, you can live happily lah.
We're going all the way down. I tell you, it's not easy. It may look like this, but I tell you, there's a lot of leaf around. It's very slippery, and there's a lot of moss on the ground. It's also quite slippery, so we have to be very dangerous. It's very dangerous. And then all our weight is on our foot, tip of our foot. So we are braking. You know how you drive cars? You're constantly braking. Yeah. So it's very, very dangerous in a way. Let me see if we can get a good.
Oh, this is a hot one.
Like a slanting all the way. Look at that, slanting. Guys, I'm doing it for you guys, man. So you don't have to. So all you have to do is just watch the video. All you have to do is just watch the video. Watch the video. Give it a like, give it a subscribe. Oh, that's all I asked for. I didn't ask for more. I didn't ask an inch more. We arrived back to the base. We arrived back to our place. We are very exhausted. But at least I let you know we are safe, we are well. Oh, the color is back. We're safe, we're well. We're safe, we're well, and we're doing okay.
I survived.
It was a good experience. This, that's it. Where's a good place to? This marks our venture at Kubah National Park complete.
Yay!
It's a bit dark, but it's fine. The sunlight's coming. It's going down. It's going down now. It's now about 3 or 4 o'clock. We'll go chill, rest, and then I'll see you guys in the next stream or the next video.
Video.